So today I'm going to test out the new GoPro that I've just got. I lost my Hero 5 Black last week scuba diving, which I was pretty upset about, but anyway, it's gone and upgraded to this one's a Hero 9 Black. Not the latest one, but it's still an upgrade on what I had. You can get an 11 now, I think, but anyway, this 9 has got a lot of better features on it. A couple of things I've noticed already. The status screen, I've got the screen on the front. There's multiple options that you can choose, but I've set it to status only to try and save the battery life. But battery life, if I look in the mirror, I can see that it's actually on and recording quite easily. The other changes, they put the on button on the opposite side of this GoPro to the last one. That meant that I had to swap the camera mounts, had to swap the audio adapter. Just watching these parachuters come in, that's pretty cool. Chopper right there, that's pretty cool. Yeah, so the audio adapter that you need for the GoPro to run the external mics, now it plugs into the opposite side on the newer one, which was a bit of a pain. It wasn't the end of the world, it just meant I had to swap the Velcro patch to the other side of the helmet that I've got that holds the audio adapter. The other annoying part about it is the audio adapter that you need to run the external mics. It actually plugs into the side of the GoPro. On the old one, I could take the little door off and it leave the USB-C port open and accessible for the audio adapter to plug into. Now this one, it's got one big door it's on the opposite side, as I said, and that's one big door that holds the battery and everything in. A bit of a pain because you've got to take the whole door off to access the port, and then the battery can just fall out. So, long story short, had to buy another door for it, which has got a small access port that opens up in the bottom, which was an aftermarket one I found on Amazon, only about $15. It's not going to be waterproof like the original one, but as long as if you go in the water you remember to put the other door back on. It seems to overcome the problem quite well, this one with the little access hatch in it, even for charging, so it's a much better system, I think. But yeah, so I think I've got this set at the moment on Super View to give me, I find that to be the best on the bike. It gives me a really nice wide field of view, captures a lot of the the external stuff off to the sides and everything when you're going through nice forests and things, like where I'll be today, going through this rainforest area. The other thing is I've got it set on 60 frames per second at the moment, and I think it's 2.7K or something like that, the setting I've got it on. You can go higher, but I'm going to try it on that for this one. Normally I do stuff in 1080 and I'm quite happy with that, so I've gone up, but this one's capable of 5K, so I'm expecting that would take a bloody long time to upload those. So, but anyway, we'll see how it goes. I'll try it in this 2.7K or whatever it is by 60 frames per second and see how it goes, and modify from there if I need to, but that's my starting point. See what happens.